Hey, baby bear, it's your birthday. How old are you now?
Say 1.
Oh, baby bear, you're 1 year old? That's 7 years old in dog years. Huh. Yeah. We have the same birthday, don't we, baby bear?
Should we sing her happy birthday?
Yeah, we're going to sing you happy birthday. Look at our birthday pie.
Happy birthday.
All right, baby bear.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby bear. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, yay!
Oh, shit.
Yeah. All right,
Baby
happy
bear.
birthday. Look at that. Eat the whole thing in your mouth. Get it. She's so big. What are you going to do?
She's much too...
Break it for her.
Here you go, baby bear.
Yeah.
Birthday pie.
This is her birthday. She gets big chunks instead of little tiny pieces at once.
Oh. Here you go. We'll have to cut it up.
Healthy organic, you guys. It doesn't look like
Hey, this is gluten-free.
part of my food.
That's not.
She's like, is this low fat?
Aw, good girl. Happy birthday, baby bear.